Alright, book clubbers, so this is just a little fun aside project. I don't know how old the kittens have to be to get this kind of exercise, so we're going to actually try with Hazel. If you can see, Hazel's got blue eyes. Can you see that? I hope she focused on that. So we're going to just try priming the clicker with Hazel. Oof! Here's Hezekiah. Hezekiah has to be everywhere where Hazel is. The two are very bonded. Let me get the treats ready. There you are, Hazel. Okay, so priming the clicker is click, treat. Let her finish. You're going to need kitten treats. Click, treat. Kaya is very interested. Click, treat. In a minute, Kaya. Here, bud. Here, Hazel. Hazel. Maybe Kaya's going to be our better option. Hazel doesn't seem to care. Or I just don't have treats well enough. Again, kittens have the attention span of a gnat. So I might have to find a treat that works better, because this is not really working. I don't actually know if he's chewing. No. Alright, I'm gonna have to do a little more research on the kittens. I don't think they're understanding the whole clicker concept, which is okay. I mean, they're awfully young. But that is the comparison between the horse and the kittens and cats of the clicker training stage 1. I think the second stage is when we start moving the clicker around, so we'll see how that goes. But thank you for your attention, guys, and I will let you know when I've got another book review done or when I can do the next clicker training session. Thanks so much, guys.